Hey Steve, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about Enchanted Services, your company and your business. But before we get into that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Scenic Spark SEO, and I have a passion for helping small business owners grow their business. So with that, let's get to it. So when we punch in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, um, we are actually looking for your business right now. Okay, now this is called the map pack, this is the top three, and this is called organics. First thing we're going to talk about is content. Second thing we're going to talk about is backlinks and keywords. And the third thing that we're going to talk about is citations. Now, if we scroll down here, I believe you are in the 65th position. Let's double check that. Yes, and here we are. Let's take a quick look at your website. Now I noticed that your website's a little bit outdated, so it's a little bit old, 2016. But I mean, overall, I mean, I love what you did here with your brand, and I really like that brand. It looks nice, but we could definitely beef this up. What Google looks for is content, and that's the reason why you see those top performers in the top. So what Google crawls the internet 24/7 every single day. So basically what we want to look for is how much words of content you have. So let's paste that. Now I just copied and pasted all your words. You have 154 words. Google loves 1,500 to 2,000, so we could definitely beef that up for you. Let's take a look at your competitor. Here's your once again, electrician, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Scroll down, and before we get to your competitor, I just want to explain to you these top three positions. Okay, now this is Angie's List, Yelp, and BBB. Okay, now these guys are pushing power in a national level. So that's the reason why they're up here. Wagner Mechanical is in the 4th position because they're only pushing organic traffic for electrician Albuquerque up to the 4th position. Now, if we rank in the service area of this position, we could definitely rank above Angie. So with that, let's continue. Wagner Mechanical's in the 4th. Here's what their website looks like. We could do a way better job than this site. Yeah, it's okay. But again, it's got about 700 words of content on it. So let's take a quick look and verify that real quick and see how much content. So we'll plug it into the words of content. And yeah, about 760 words there. Needs help as well. So all we have to do is go above and beyond the 760 of content and we're good to go. So yes, and in a nutshell, that's probably about sums up content. Google really loves content. So if we can attach a bunch of the keywords that we're going to talk about and point to right now inside your website. So okay, let's go back to your website. Now this is a tool, it's called Ahrefs. Now I pay for this tool. It used to be free, but you got to pay for it now. Anybody could buy this. So let's take a look. I plugged in your website. Let's take a look at your strength and power. So what we're looking at is UR and DR. Now the UR shows the strength of your website. You've been around a while, so it's about a 22 out of a scale of 100. DR is trust. So typically this would be pretty, bigger for us to rank up there. But the way that we do that is we use backlinks and organics. You have 26 organic words that you're using to push your site. So there's not too much power there, but what we have to do, now let's look at your competitor. Let's look at Wagner. Wow, look at their backlinks. 2.5 K. Now, I know what you're thinking, well, how can we do that? I mean, it's simple. All we got to do is go into the organic keywords, and we have everything that they're using right now. They have volume. We have the keyword that's going on through their website. Now, this will help um, as far as saving your pictures and everything as well. So, but if you really want to beef it up, then we're going to have to look into the referring domains, which is 656. And let's check out and see how much backlinks and what type that we're using. Well, excuse me, that Wagner Mechanical is using. Okay, but first we'll talk about referring domains. Now, we have all this stuff that they do. So we can go through this whole thing and plug and chug, and if they have, say, 50, we could put 60 and beat them. So that's pretty much sums up that. Let's take a quick look at backlinks. Let's see. Come on. Let's take a quick look at, let's see, it's pulling up right now. Sorry about that. Okay, so all these backlinks, it shows the traffic through each backlink. We have everything that they have. So in a nutshell, we can do a little bit more than what they're doing and blow them out of the water. Third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, when we talk about citations, we are basically talking about the map pack area on the top. Okay, let's come up here real quick. Okay, so what you do want to rank for is these top 3 positions. Now, I took the liberty and searched up yours, and I believe it's between 80 and 100. Let's take a look here. Let's see. Next one, I believe. And yes, there you are. Enchanted Services. So yes, all we would have to do is, I notice you have two 5-star. We definitely could beef this up, add some more photos, more reviews, close this out with 100% completion. And when we do all this stuff, we can optimize it to better get you ranking in the top 3. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I have for you, Steve. And I hope that you can take this information and you can use it how you so fit. It's free, free to use. If you do need someone like this to help, I'll definitely help you. Just give me a call, and we'll definitely schedule a discovery call and get you going. If not, no harm, no foul. This is 100% free, so thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful night. Thank you. Bye-bye.